Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel LN Realty. We are happy to broadcast diverse products on our channel. Today we are showcasing a unique 4-bedroom apartment in Baner, 2080 square feet carpet area. There are 2 bedrooms on this side and you'll find 2 bedrooms here. Let's explore. This is your living area, 19 into 14. It has access to a private terrace which gives you a view of Baner Hills. You can use the hills for trekking. Beautiful view. Let's explore the other rooms. The living is very spacious. So right ahead is your guest bedroom. 11 into 10.4 with one attached washroom. CP fittings, your sanitary fittings are of Indian brands. There is shower cubicle in each washroom. So this is your kids bedroom. The kids bedroom is very spacious compared to the guest bed. This is 14 into 11. The kids bedroom and the guest bedroom both get the view of Barnier Hills. That is the kids washroom, at the moment locked, hence I'm not able to showcase it. Now let's explore the other half, where we will come across the kitchen space, the dining space and 2 bedrooms. Let's have a look. So they have completely bifurcated living and dining. This is where you'll dine every day. Your dining space, 14 into 10. Again having a beautiful view of Barnier Hills. With this apartment you'll be getting 2 covered car parks, 2 bedrooms, and friends, that is your modular kitchen, 12 into 9, 2 parallel platforms. What you see is what you get. Chimney, hob, burner, a separate utility area. Throughout the flat you'll come across Italian marble flooring. Now this is the utility area, 8 into 9. Your maids can use this space for daily chores, and that's a separate entrance for your servant or your maid. So good bifurcation, privacy is maintained in each bedroom. Beautiful kitchen. People can easily move around. Now let's have a look at the 2 master beds. Let's see the first master bed, 15.11 into 12 with wooden flooring. Attached washroom. Very decent sized master bed with a complete different view. Beautiful work. Look at the colors. Look at the finishing. And this is your master bed 2. Again comes with wooden flooring. 16.3 into 12.5. This is the biggest master bed. The difference comes in the walk-in wardrobe space. Location of this project is very prime, central Barnier. So this is your walk-in wardrobe space. Let's have a look at the master shower. As I said, each washroom comes with a shower cubicle, a water closet, and a separate hand wash counter. The tiling work is very beautifully chosen. A good taste of the developer. This developer has completed 30 projects in Pune with a good legacy. The legacy speaks a lot about the construction work done, the construction quality used. People have already moved in this particular project. So this is the last unit to occupy. To inquire for this last unit, please call LN Realty We will be happy to assist you. Let me give you a quick run through. Your living area comes with a large terrace space, nice and open. And right behind this are 2 bedrooms. Please note, site visits will be catered on appointment basis only. This is a COVID prevention protocol. We put in a lot of work showcasing and recording diverse products in real estate sector for you. We will appreciate if you can like and share the video with your family and friends who are looking for a large size 4.5 BHK or a 4 BHK apartment. You can additionally email us your specific requirements. We will accordingly allocate resources to cater your requirements. We request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It motivates us to put such good listings on this platform. Thank you for watching.